I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. I'm here with our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, this week in our Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I've got something fresh. This is brand new, hot off the presses from HJC. This is the CL-17 Hulk Helmet. This is a badass graphic right here. I really like this. Who doesn't love the Hulk, man? All muscle-bound, Avenger, smashing stuff. It's not a bad helmet. $179 too, so that's also kick-ass. You get a great deal on a good helmet with a solid graphic. Comes with a Marvel helmet bag. Now that we're talking about the Hulk, right? Okay, we've got Lou Ferrigno, way back OG, the original Hulk, and that was just a real dude with actual muscles. They painted him green, and he's a superhero character, right? All the new stuff, all the CGI, I appreciate that. It's pretty cool. We got Edward Norton, then we transitioned into Mark Ruffalo. Which Hulk do you think is the best? I'm voting 100% for Ferrigno.